Okay, so today we had our Blue Ribbon celebration.
We are a two-time Blue Ribbon winner. It's a national award.
Everybody working their hardest, getting the best grades that they can. The teachers giving us good strategies into making that, and just being kind and nice to the kids.
It's exciting. I mean, it takes a lot of people to pull something like this together.
I like getting to see the cheerleaders.
I thought that they were really good. I think that it kind of does get you pumped up to see people just kind of supporting you, and the fact that they said Colts and not about the Cougars is just kind of cool.
Let's go Colts, yeah!
I think the band did amazing. There's one certain guy on the drums that I was watching, and he did amazingly well. The speed that he has and the way that he can think about all that in just split seconds is just, I think, is really cool.
And then I also liked running.
I did the dash. Watching the relay was kind of fun. You have a person on a chair, you have to grab stuff from a bucket and put the stuff on the person.
And then at the end, you wave a blue ribbon to show that you won.
Probably watching the tug of war. That was pretty fun.
I did like that also.
Kind of funny, just somebody else doing the tug of war and not me. You're just seeing teachers the other side of them. You're always seeing them teaching and the strategies that they have and stuff like that. But then you see them out there and you see a completely different side of them.
Play.
We have a parent that's a actress and singer-songwriter, Jana Kramer, and so she and her daughter and some friends wrote a song.
I think that was amazing songwriting. That's hard to do.
I loved it. It was just fun for me to see it all come together.
I loved it.
I think it was amazing. I think it's hard to set up something like that, and that our school did and organize that is just great.